Hey, it's Tanya from freerangecottage.com, and today I want to talk to you about our kitchen remodel. We're doing a budget kitchen remodel, DIYing it, and how do you keep your sanity during that. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of a tour. If you haven't seen the IKEA Island video, then be sure and check that out. Because we had just made the new island out of IKEA cabinets. That was our first step. Now what we've done is, as you can see in the background here, we've taken all the upper cabinets down. We have a low ceiling in here. It's 7 feet high, which is crazy. The house was built in 1980. It's one thing that has always made me kind of crazy in here because it's a really nice sized kitchen, but the ceiling always made it feel low. So we're removing all the upper cabinets. Not sure what we're gonna do with the ceiling yet. This is kind of how we roll with our DIY. We're like, let's take it down and then decide from there. So we may take this drywall down and shiplap it, or we may try to raise some things, but I don't know. We will see. But for sure, the plan is to have subway tile. This is my sample of what I'm gonna be putting up here. This was just from Lowe's, and I love how it's the pattern is already there and it'll be real simple to install. Countertops are going to be new or refreshed. We're going to see on that. And we're moving towards, since we love our IKEA Island, the cabinets so much, it's hard not to just go ahead and get new base cabinets over here because they hold so much and they're reasonably priced. So that's probably a direction we're going to go. Now, how do I keep my sanity in the middle of the chaos? And how do we keep a functioning kitchen? It's not the easiest thing in the world, and everybody has a different threshold level for chaos, but we've done so many DIYs over the years that I've kind of learned how to mitigate it. There are meltdown days, you know, there's no doubt about that. But one thing that we've done is that everything that was in those upper cabinets, I had it on the dining table in the other room at first, and it was really a pain loading the dishwasher, unloading the dishwasher, even getting dishes. But now we've got them all here. Yes, it's open. Yes, it feels cluttery, but at least it doesn't feel like chaos. It's easy to put it away. It's easy to, you know, serve up meals, and the food situation is still happening. So that is a big tip, is relocate sort of your dishes. Our pantry's not getting destroyed or anything, so all our food and our refrigerator and everything, that's all staying. If we rip out base cabinets, that's gonna be a different story. We're gonna have to have a plan for water and dishes and everything like that. And what we're doing over here, this is the other side of the kitchen, we are gonna go ahead and reuse and save a little money. This is our old island. When we first moved in, it was just too small. It's the old cabinets. We used one of these upper cabinets over here. We're gonna install it up here, and what I'm gonna do, I may paint this a different color than the white shaker style and just try to make it look sort of like a built-in vintage cabinet or something more like that. And that's gonna save us probably $800 to $1,000 just in this corner over here. So that's a for sure going to stay. And you know, so we'll be adding, oh, we already bought the farmhouse sink from IKEA. So that was a biggie, that was on my list. I wanted subway tile, farmhouse sink, better lighting. There were certain issues with the kitchen. But so that's kind of the tour, and I will keep you posted on the budget remodel. So if you want to keep up with us, if you like home decor, styling, DIYs, and realistic, beautiful living, then subscribe, hit that bell, the notifications, so you don't miss any of our new videos that we're putting out every week. And thanks so much for watching. And if you have any tips or ideas or suggestions, it's all kind of fluid right now, so leave some comments. I would love to hear if you've done a budget remodel and what you like or what you would do differently. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.